Hey guys, namaskar. All of the houses here. So today's a Sunday. Not much going on. We're taking it easy at the house we're renting. Lots of shops, lots of restaurants, lots of things generally are closed on a Sunday here in Kerala. Probably in other parts of India too, right? Anyway, so I'm going to the corner store and kids are playing. It's all good. We're working with them on our Sunday routine, which is pretty harmless, but we're reaching something. Don't worry, they stay not stupid. Or they're not. The corner store is also closed on Sunday. I find a shop. This is dead. I mean, not completely. I feel like Europe dead, you know. It's still India, right? I was just saying to my wife, it is about Lassi time, right? And since we have season, it's the season, still the season, soon not anymore. It is mango Lassi time. Supposed to be fairly easy to make on your own, and challenging still a little bit, right? Let's make some mango Lassi, right? A great mango Lassi, but I have to find a shop to buy mangoes and curd. Guys, I'm in love with this area here. I think I should make a separate video on this and find like the coolest, richest, biggest houses in the area, which is really, it's amazing. For now, it's a mango Lassi. Dude, that shop is closed too. Come on, don't take it too seriously with the Sunday. Who cares about Sunday? Everyday Sunday. There's one shop open. I'm not sure if he has mangoes. He has mangoes. Alrighty. Hello, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste. Namaskar.
Where are you going?
I'm going to buy something. Do you have curd?
Yeah.
Can I have some curd? Curd. Which
packet,
one?
Packet.
Yes. Mango.
Mango is sweet mango.
This one is good?
A good one.
Good for Lassi. You know Lassi? Curd, mango.
Mango. That means mango fruit.
Yeah, I take the fruit out.
Not kacha. That means green mango.
No,
green mango.
just a sweet.
Sweet mango. Yeah.
This one, good?
Yeah.
All right, so.
Which kilo?
This is dried fish.
Dried fish.
You eat like this? Or you cook?
Fry.
Are you fry? Okay. Looks good. It's quite a cute shop. They're open on Sunday, which is a good thing. They have different bananas, different fruits, vegetables, I like that. Even cold drinks. You can have cookies, everything you can have. How many years you have the shop?
23.
23?
Yeah.
Wow, long time. And after you have a son who will take it over?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Hopefully. All right.
Children are...
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alrighty. I bought a few other things in that shop. Some sweets. Because it's Sunday. Let's go home and tackle that mango Lassi. And I'm sure it's going to be awesome. I'm sure it's going to be a lifesaver because I'm getting thirsty. Eat mango Lassi. Eat mango Lassi. Eat mango Lassi. That guy, that clerk at the shop, now he's actually the owner. He has had this shop for 23 years. And I asked him if his kids, his sons or whatever, will take over. But he said they're doing too good in school. It might not be possible. Well, that's how these things die out, right? To do. Yeah, guys, it's so nice here. It's like I could stay here for like, I have 3 months visa. I could stay here 3 months. Or also the place in Kochi we had, Love that, just to stay in a place and suck it all up and film. But of course, people want me to travel, right? So we have to travel. But yeah, I wouldn't mind staying longer. Always longer in one place, especially if it's so chilling. Like here, it's just so amazing. And I guess you can do it. You can stay in a place and for a while, and at the same time make a few videos. Not overdoing it, right? But yeah, it's possible. Whatever. Enough talked. All Lassi. Namaskar. The locals here are super friendly. Banana trees here. And all of these places here are very green, and they have their own banana trees and mango trees, and it's not too bad. Hey. Guys, you sitting on the table? I'm making mango lassi.
Yes.
Anybody want? You want mango lassi?
Yes.
All right. Never had one made by me. No. Let's see. Am I Indian enough? So you guys are working on the table, all right? This is a bed and a cupboard. Very nice. Here's the chair. Very nice. Watch out, boy. Anyway, here's the kitchen. Right, so it's a bit difficult to film this. Well, put this here maybe. This is not very professional. Wow, there's even a chair. Because this kitchen here, that way you work, is very low. Like for dwarves, right? But so here we're good, I think. But anyway, let's cut some of the pulp. Yeah, whatever you do to get it out, get it out. Just this is how I eat them up. Of course, there's more professional ways of doing it, but that is how moonshine does it. See? Don't worry, I'll get everything. Not wasting anything. Yeah, see? Oops. Oh. The lightning situation is all right. Well, get most of it out now and get a scoop after. I'm sure there's different ways of doing this. But yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to fast forward now. Okay. Get all that nice pulp in the bowl. Okay. When you have your blender here, it's very helpful if you have a blender, right? Anyway, so take that does not go in the blender, a 500 or half kg curd. You can also take yogurt, which is very similar. To tell you the truth, I only know curd from India, so I'm not really sure what the difference is. See, it's all in here, see? And then you take the pulp. Should I take the full of it? Yeah, I'll take everything. Oh yeah. It fits right in. The pulp of a kilo mangoes. I saw some recipes that had less in it. Well, I like them good. And take a lid. It's very helpful if you take a lid. Now, can I just put it anywhere? Yeah, I guess. And then turn it on. Can that be it already? No, I don't think so. Let's look inside. Oh, Look, it looks all creamy already, but it's giving it another go. And just one more. So make sure it's good. Oh my God. It has a little bit of a hint of sourness. You could put in some cardamom, but I don't have any cardamom. But you could put in some sugar or some honey. So I'll put in some honey for even a little bit more sweetness. Just a dash, right? Oops. Yeah, then mix it one more time. Put in some ice. Very good. Put a little bit sugar inside and a dash of salt. Oh, it's pretty thick. It could be a little bit less thick, but you could add some milk in the whole process. We only have these huge glasses. Oh. Let's not spoil. Let's not spill. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's not too thick. It's rather a thick lassi. Lots of people would prefer that even. You could even have some cream with that. That would be even perfect. Oh man. Oh my God. And right here. Oh my God. Very good. Very good. I mean, there's some pulp, a little bit of flesh, fruit flesh in it, just a bit. But whoa, I think they're waiting. These huge glasses, so we'll share with him. We only have 4 of these glasses, and then Vincent, here you go. Your lassi. How is it?
Yummy.
Is it good, Vincent? Yes? Olive? Here you go. Do you like it? It is. It's quite thick. It's quite heavy.
Hey, David, give it back to me.
Is it good?
Yes.
Yes? Is it yummy or not yummy?
Yes.
Yes, it is yummy. All right. Dylan likes it. Let me get my one. That's like dinner. That's dinner for tonight. Not
That's so good.
It's really good. I mean, it could be a bit sweeter. The thing is, the curd was the only one they had there. There's some curd that's a bit less sour, and so you could take yogurt. Yeah, I mean, there's different kinds. It's just normal like yogurt, and I put some honey inside, and a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of salt. And I didn't have any cardamom, but it's still good. You could have used also some. And the boy likes it. You like it, eh? It's nothing to be ashamed of, if you like a good old lassi. Yeah, I like it. Oh. Very good.
His whole face is gone.
Ah, yeah. You have a mustache. He doesn't have a mustache, the boy.
Olive has a mango mustache.
Yeah, right, guys. This was my mango lassi video. I still have some bananas, but actually I'm quite full after this. It's refreshing. It's even like it's like something you eat because it's like a meal almost. Yeah, you could make that a lot thinner. but I like it. It's like a mango yogurt, like a thick, liquidy thingy. It's good. I like it. Anyway, take good care and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and like, right? And let me hear from you in the comment section because I like that. All right, take it easy. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Of course, with a cream bun, it's even better, right?